Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.2, Problem 6. This is Section 3.2, Problem 6. It says use the symbol less than, greater than, or equal to make a true statement, and we're comparing two numbers, 3.114 and 3.22. Well, the way you want to determine which one is bigger is you want to go one digit at a time and just compare those digits, and then if they match, you will move one digit to the right. So when we start, we compare the two numbers, they both have a 3. Then as we go one digit to the right, I'm comparing a 1 and a 2. Well, 2 is definitely larger than 1, so 3.22 is larger than 3.114. Even though it has fewer digits in it, it's a larger value. So I need to choose the symbol where the open end will face the larger value. So I want the open end of my inequality symbol to face the 3.22.